Welcome to this tutorial on direct deposit on Mywisely. Mywisely is a mobile banking app that allows you to manage your finances and access your money easily. One of the key features of Mywisely is direct deposit, which enables you to receive your paycheck or government benefits directly into your account. To start using direct deposit on Mywisely, you need to set up your account and provide your employer or benefits provider with your account information. This typically includes your account number and routing number, which can be found in the Mywisely app. Once you have provided your account information, your employer or benefits provider will deposit your funds directly into your Mywisely account. This means that you will have immediate access to your money without having to wait for a check to clear or visit a bank branch. Using direct deposit on Mywisely has several benefits. It is fast, secure, and convenient, allowing you to access your money as soon as it is deposited. It also helps you avoid lost or stolen checks and reduces the risk of identity theft. To set up direct deposit on Mywisely, follow these steps. First, log into your Mywisely account and navigate to the direct deposit section. Then, click on Set up direct deposit and enter your employer or benefits provider information. You will also need to provide your account information, including your account number and routing number. After you have set up direct deposit, you can track your deposits and view your account balance in the Mywisely app. You can also use the app to transfer money, pay bills, and manage your finances. In addition to the convenience and security of direct deposit, Mywisely also offers other features to help you manage your money. These include budgeting tools, spending tracking, and alerts to help you stay on top of your finances. By using direct deposit on Mywisely, you can take control of your finances and access your money easily and securely. It is a fast, convenient, and secure way to receive your paycheck or government benefits, and can help you achieve your financial goals.